MIDI Manager version 0.9.5 is the biggest step yet toward version 1. It keeps the familiar desktop workflow, but makes large libraries faster, clearer, and easier to review. Organized Library now opens incrementally from the database instead of loading the entire collection up front. In runtime acceptance, 5,375 rows stayed searchable and responsive. Search, row selection, and liked state remain available while more rows load. Working with a large collection no longer depends on one monolithic view finishing first. Library organizer guidance is clearer too. Large source folders can be indexed and analyzed. The 100-file trial and free limit applies to organized library output, not to source analysis. Playback Queue now reads its source from the database and has cleaner adaptive controls. You can build, shuffle, and play a queue without first materializing the entire organized library. MIDI Files by device now pages through large result sets. It also adds MIDI Type 0, Type 1, and GM2 detection and filtering. Analysis status is easier to trust. Indexed, successfully enriched, failed, and remaining work are no longer presented as the same thing, and failed files stay visible for review. Floppy Image Studio, IMG, FAT12, and USB or Gotek workflows receive the same localization and runtime hardening. The guidance remains deliberately conservative about which formats and hardware are actually supported. Runtime localization now covers English, Dutch, German, French, and Spanish. It reaches dashboard, organizer, licensing, maintenance, first run, and many report, output, and error messages. Licensing is context-aware. Professional users no longer see trial or free limit text. The package also reports version 0.9.5 from the shared release source. Linux 0.9.5-1 is available now for Ubuntu and Kubuntu 24.04 on AMD 64. The Windows 0.9.5 package passed real installed runtime testing, but its public download is held until code signing is complete. This release is driven by real tester feedback and a strict release readiness pass. Read the full notes, join the tester program, and follow the road to Windows 1.0.0 and Linux 1.0.1 at MusicNote Haven.